In ATENA Plus project, a consortium of 6 companies and 5 research centers is focused in stretching a local European industrial ecosystem for sodium-ion battery technology. In the first phase of the project, we are focusing on the scaling up of battery-grade materials to pilot level. In a second phase, we will validate the technology in representative prototypes. Finally, ATENA Plus technology will be tested under real use cases, covering both stationary storage and electromobility applications. Today, lithium-ion batteries are the reference technology for electrification, but their supply chains still depend on critical raw materials like lithium and graphite, and in some cases even cobalt and nickel. Sodium is far more abundant and widely distributed in the air class, which can help stabilize costs and reduce supply chain risk. Also, sodium-ion cells can be scaled using manufacturing routes similar to lithium-ion batteries. So Europe can build on existing investment while developing its own know-how and supply chains for sodium-ion battery technology. To design a sustainable battery from the start, you make choices early that reduce impact later. That means using more available materials, using cleaner manufacturing, for example, water-based and low-solvent electroprocessing, and thinking about recycling and end-of-life already during the design state. Lithium and cobalt-free materials for the cathode production are important because they reduce dependence on strategic and critical raw materials and can improve supply stability. By the other hand, the development of advanced bio-based carbon materials for the negative electrode is also important because it can lower the environmental footprint and support a more local supply chains in Europe. By the end of ATENA Plus, we want to show clear proof that sodium-ion technology is ready to be taken by the industry in Europe. That means we can produce battery-grade materials, manufacture and test large prismatic cells and modules, and validate performance and safety in real applications. We want to demonstrate the basis of a European industrial ecosystem that can cover the whole value chains from materials and cell manufacturing to system integration, BMS, and recycling.